Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use avatars in Gather. First, open Gather and sign into your account. After entering your workspace, open your avatar editor to start customizing your character. At the top, you can see a preview of your avatar. Any changes you make will appear here immediately. Let's start with the Base tab. Here you can change your avatar's skin tone, hairstyle, and facial features. Simply click on the option you like, and the preview will update automatically. Next, open the hair section and browse through the available hairstyles. Choose the one that best matches your style. Now go to the Clothing tab. Here you can change your outfit and give your avatar a different look. After that, open the Accessories tab. You can add items such as glasses, hats, or other accessories to personalize your avatar even more. You can also check the Special tab to see if there are any additional customization options available for your avatar. Take your time to try different combinations until you're happy with the appearance of your character. When you've finished making your changes, click Finish Editing to save your new avatar. Your updated avatar will now appear in your Gather workspace, and other members will see your new look when you join meetings or move around the virtual office. Using a customized avatar is a great way to personalize your profile and make it easier for teammates to recognize you. That's how you can use and customize avatars in Gather. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Gather tutorials and helpful technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.